Welcome to the Nature Fit Patients and User app, your one place for preventive health and natural lifestyle. This is the homepage which you see once you log in. We have provided a lot of health tools for you to see how healthy you are. There is a BMI fat calculator. There is a lifestyle analysis. There is a health check where we understand what your medical condition. A stress test to check your stress levels. Practitioner. Knowing yourself better is the first step to getting healthier. This is how the summary of all your parameters is seen. You can submit this information in case you consult to the doctor or practitioner on Nature Fit app. This data is shared with the doctor or practitioner if you wish to and helps in better diagnosis. Now the next part of the app is the therapies, so we have all the Ayush and natural therapies. There are 15 therapies for which you can find doctors or practitioners who are nearby you. So, if we go in Ayurveda, there are some details about what is Ayurveda, what are the benefits, and you can click on See the nearby doctor or practitioner. And then you could click on specific doctor or practitioner. You can check their timings. You can read about them, their services, their reviews, and then you can decide to book an appointment. You could choose any one of the appointments like a voice, clinic, or a video. If you select a video, then you have to select the particular date that you want the appointment on, and you could select the time that you would like the appointment to be, and then you can go ahead. Make a payment for the consultation. If you choose clinic appointment, you need not pay on the platform. You can pay directly at the clinic. You are shared all information and reminders about appointments. We ask you to give us some therapy-specific information that is required by your doctor or practitioner even before you start the consultation or go for consultation. These are very basic questions, but it will save your time as well as your doctor's or practitioner's time. This information helps practitioner understand what is your current state of health. For example, Ayurvedic Parikshan, Prakriti for Ayurveda, case record for homeopathy, nutrition assessment for dietitians and other therapy assessments. Let us look for Ayurveda. Mostly, Ayurveda doctor analyzes you on these bases of what is your Prakriti. Prakriti decides what your eating habits should be, what your lifestyle should be, how you should carry your hair, skin, and why you have a particular health disorder. This is the Ayurvedic analysis which took you as a patient only 2 minutes, but save a lot of time at the clinic or doing a consultation for the doctor or practitioner and for you as well. All this information goes to your doctor or practitioner. Now we come back to homepage and let us see what are the other features that we have. In case you want to buy any natural Ayurvedic or any organic product, so anything healthy which is natural and good for your body, you could actually go on to Nature Fit shop. This is where we have all the brands, all the products. You could choose a particular category. You should browse about the product. You could check the product details and you can buy any products. Also, the products your doctor or practitioner prescribe will be mostly available here. Then comes our free calculators and trackers for you. You could track your meal by adding your breakfast, snack, dinner. You could have a calorie goal. You can track your exercise, how much you're burning on a daily basis. You could track your stress, BMI fats and sleep, and could also see your Prakriti. You get a free diet plan based on Prakriti. So, these are all the free tools that you could always use and track. Now, what is very unique is whatever you are tracking here in terms of your meal, your exercise, your BMI, stress, Prakriti has been shared with any doctor or practitioner if you are consulting on the platform. So, the doctor or practitioner not only knows what you are following in terms of prescription he has given you, but also these different parameters how you are performing. And that is how it will help you to get healthier faster. Now let's see what you can see on your profile. So these are the ongoing therapies that you're already going through with different doctors or practitioners. Let us look at a prescription that comes from a particular doctor or practitioner. So, this is how a prescription from your doctor or practitioner comes. He has given a name of our medicine or task. He has given a brand. He told you how many tablets you need to take. What is the method of intake? And the best thing is, he has given you date when to eat and the time when to eat it. So, at that particular time, you actually get a reminder as an app notification saying that it's time to eat your medicine or task. You could just click on it and this screen will open. Then you can comply saying that I have had my medicine or task. This information actually flows back to your doctor or practitioner. So when you go for a follow-up, the doctor or practitioner can see that my patient has actually had my medicine or task that I have prescribed for. So this is what it is, very unique feature that we have created. This is where you can check your order. You can email us or call us, or you can even check your points which you have been gaining throughout the activity. So join us on this very interesting, interactive, fun journey to get healthier naturally.